Hi everyone, my name is Kong. Together with Gautam, we'll be talking about scaling data analytics with GemFire-Greenplum Connector. Pure Greenplum provides big data analytics processing. The big data analytics within Greenplum can be transferred to GemFire via GemFire-Greenplum Connector at high-speed data transfer. Once the data is loaded within Pure GemFire, any application could access those data via RESTful API and GemFire native API. The use case of this solution is customer dashboard, financial recommendation system, as well as e-commerce site. Pure GemFire provides the benefits of scaling to millions of transactions at low latency of sub-milliseconds. GemFire also scales horizontally across multiple sites. With this, both GemFire and Greenplum together, we can scale OLAP and OLTP workloads. To learn more about this solution, visit these links at Pivotal Greenplum.